one of the things I've always wanted to throw on the Luxie is the automatic mirror folding kits. So I've seen them online, but never really did too much research into it. Mod Society hit me up and sent me out one of their kits. Pretty much this is the whole thing. So it's pretty simple. Take the door trim off, plug and play. All their instructions are on their website. I'll drop the link below. But yeah, take a quick look at how easy it is to install. Alright, so here's a little look at where that wiring harness goes into. So pretty much all the existing wiring harnesses match up with the new wiring harness. So it's pretty much just all in line everywhere. Very simple. So as you can see, pretty much plug and play all round. Very simple to install. So now we're going to put the door back together. I'll give it a test and see how we go.